Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling facts you need now: VIN, registration, driver license, and recent mileage. Once done, log into insurer sites or call agents to request quotes. Having exact vehicle details speeds quotes and avoids errors. Make sure to state primary driver and usage, commute versus pleasure, because premiums change. If you have prior policies, provide lapse dates and claim history. This first step prevents rework and gives a baseline premium to compare across at least 3 carriers. Next, you evaluate what to buy and why. Compare liability limits and add collision or comprehensive only if vehicle value justifies it, because deductibles affect repair decisions. Once you choose coverages, test different deductible levels. Higher deductibles lower premiums but increase out-of-pocket risk. Make sure to apply all eligible discounts, multi-policy, good driver, anti-theft, and confirm how claims affect rates. Also check state minimums versus your financial exposure. So finally, you bind the policy by signing the application and paying the first premium or binder fee. This makes coverage effective immediately if requested. Once bound, download and read the declarations page. Confirm effective dates, covered drivers, VIN, limits, and any exclusions. If a rate or quote is denied, contact the agent to request the underwriting rationale and provide missing documentation. If discrepancies remain, escalate to a supervisor or get a second quote. Keep proof of insurance in your glove box and phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.